If you are looking forward to creating a wedding WordPress website, here are 7 things that comes highly recommendable for you to create any kind of wedding related website. Maybe you are looking forward to create a bridal shop, a wedding event planner, a wedding event rental website, or wedding photography, or just a wedding shop generally. These things are going to help you in your website creation process. All the things I'm going to be recommending, they all come with some demos that you can just import into your WordPress website and then go ahead and install the demos. All right, so before we get into the video, if you are new to this channel or you're yet to subscribe to the channel, kindly take out time to click on that subscribe button to subscribe to the channel right now. So thank you very much if you have just done that. Also, I'm going to be leaving a link to all the things I'm going to be recommending in this video. You'll find a link to them in the description of this video so that you can take advantage of them. So with that, guys, now let's head over to the video and check out some of the 7 best wedding WordPress theme. All right, so to start off, the first one on our list is called Solen. All right, so basically, once you come on the page like this, you're going to see the name of the theme, and then you're going to have a screen that looks like this. Okay, so whatever theme that you want to pick, remember I said I'm going to leave a link to it in the description of the video. All right, so once you see here, you see this option to add to cart. So this is where you're going to click to add it to cart, and then you'll be prompted to either sign in or create an account. All right, so in most cases you might need to actually create an account. All right, so once you create an account, you'll be able to purchase the theme, which will give you access to download the theme and import into your WordPress website. Okay, all right, so with that being said, now, so this is the first theme, Solemn. This is wedding photography WordPress theme. All right, remember I mentioned photography earlier, associated wedding related website. Okay, so if you are looking forward to a wedding photography website, then this is a theme for you. As you can see, over 4,000 sales at the time of making this video at $79. So now let's look at some of the features of this theme. All right, so right here you can see it here. These are the features. It comes with some demos. So here is one of the demos, and it works with WP Bakery. It works with Elementor and Gutenberg Builder. All right, so this is one of the demo here. Right here is another demo. So if I overhit, you're going to be seeing the demo. And basically, when you are doing a wedding kind of website, it just speaks volume. All right, so that is what you can see playing out in all of these demos. If you want to see more about these demos, so you can just click on them and open them up. Personally, I won't be doing it in this video so that the video will not be longer than necessary. Okay, all right, so apart from that, you can see some of the features in terms of portfolio. You can have different views. Okay, so you can see right here portfolio variation, so you can have different layouts or different views for your portfolio. Okay, and a whole lot of other awesome layout and sections and benefits. If you want to also have a shop section within this particular theme, that option is also available to you. Right, so that is it on the first one. So learn, so you can also check it out. All right, so next on our list is called the Hustle. Right, this is an elegant WordPress theme. All right, this is going for $69. So now let's check out some of the features for this particular one. All right, so for this one now, so like you can see, it also comes with some demos. This is suitable for wedding planner. So you can see we have announcements. We have a demo for wedding shop. So if you want to be selling bridal items, maybe gowns, jewelries, or the likes. So invitation demo, we have a demo for invitation. There's also a demo for, this is another one for a shop. If you want to do invitation website, if you also want to have a kind of interest kind of website strictly for wedding gallery, there's a demo for you. You know, also for photography, also for florists, if you want to sell some of these wedding flowers, right, so you can have a demo for that. Now if you look at it, it also works with all the demos have both WP Bakery version and then the Elementor version. So if you scroll down again, you're going to see more features for this particular theme for the wedding shop and the inner pages too. So that means these are some of the inner pages that is available to you, maybe like the about us, the coming soon, the contact us, you know, and the services page. Right, so if this theme fits what you intend to do make sure you also check this out. Again, the link to all the themes, you'll find them in the description of this video. So that is it, the Hustle. All right, so next is called Fleur. I hope I pronounced this well. Okay, so this is another wedding WordPress theme. So let's check out some of the demos. Okay, so if you look at this demo, we have a main demo. This is it right here. We also have a demo for a bridal store. So you can see if you like this template or this design, then you can just go for the theme which will give you access to this demo. So you can see it here. This is for wedding gown, but if you're looking forward to sell any other kind of wedding related product, it can also fly. What you just need to do is to just update your product. All right, so if I should scroll down, also we have the wedding cake. So if you are into baking, okay, and you're into wedding cakes, there's a demo for you. Wedding planner, there's a demo for a wedding planner, and a lot of demo right here. You can see there's a demo for jewelry shop, for wedding invitation, V-card, and the likes. Okay, so here is another one, and the price is $79. Okay, so guys, if you are finding value, please give the video a thumbs up. Now, away from that, we have moments. All right, so this is for wedding and events. Okay, so now let me show you what this demo look like. All right, so for this also, you can see save the moment. So here are some of the demos. All right, so just to save time, I can't open all the demos, but you can also do that when you are coming up on this page to check out what all the demo looks like. All right, so you can see this is for shop, this is for business, this is for photo, this is for announcement, or everything that has to do with wedding. So before we move to the next one, I want to share with you hosting. So if you're creating a website, definitely you are going to need hosting. So that's one of the requirements. You're going to need an hosting and a domain. And right here, I'm recommending Hostinger to you. You can see it here, get 75% off. Hostinger is currently one of the best hosting platform that you can find on the internet. So I'll leave a link to it in the description. They are offering up to 73% off. So I'll leave a link to it in the description, like I said. So once you come over to this page, you can see there is an option to change your language. If English is not your first language, so just come over here and then you can change the site to whatever language that you are comfortable with. Okay, so once you are there, so just scroll down. Actually, there are three plans. There are three packages. We have the premium, we have the business, and then we have the cloud startup. All right. So if you scroll down, you're going to see the difference between all of those three packages. But the one that comes highly recommendable that I would recommend is the business plan. Okay, and remember, you're also going to be getting some 3% off with the business plan. So if you scroll down, you're going to be seeing a difference like this. You can use it on up to 50 websites. This is 25, and in terms, now the major difference is the storage. Okay, you can see this is offering 20 gig SSD storage, while this is 50 gig NVMe storage, which is much more better than just ordinary SSD storage. Okay, all right, so once you are here, just go ahead and click on choose plan. So if you come here and select your 12 months, okay, 1 month might not be too okay, but remember, if you select in 1 month, you're not going to be getting a free domain. Okay, and I believe 12 months is okay for you to be sure that, okay, you want to keep the website. And like, since the hosting offers the opportunity for you to create as high as 50 websites, that means you can create as many, up to 50 websites using just your single business hosting plan. Okay, so right here, you see your summary here. Now, the actual price should be $207.94, but because of this discount, you're going to be paying $59.88. So once you are here, go ahead and click on continue. All right, so once you click on the continue button, you'll be redirected to this screen where you have to create an account with Hostinger. Okay, so you enter in your email and then your password, and then you click on register. So once you click on register, you'll be redirected to this page where you are going to enter your billing address. Okay, so you enter your name, your country of residence, your phone number, all of this information, and then you click on continue. So after putting it in, then you can go ahead and make payments. Now, one thing I also like about it is that it has different payments method. So you can use your card. So you can make payments with your card, your Visa, your Discovery, your American Express, and your MasterCard. Then you can also, there's option of PayPal, there's Google Pay, there's Alipay, okay? And then you can also use Bitcoin, okay? There's also Pay, so depending on your, and then you might also have more payment option depending on where you're actually accessing the website from. And then you can see it here, the total here is just 59.88, okay? So once you are done, then you submit your payments, and then you'll be able to log into your dashboard, then where you can continue with your website creation. So like I said, I'll leave the link to it in the description of this video so that you can take advantage of this 73% discount that Hostinger is currently offering. Apart from the discounts, hosting platform comes highly recommendable. Is that clear? All right. So guys, don't forget to check the description of this video for the link. All right, so now let's continue with our video. All right, so guys, welcome back. So now let's continue with our video. So now next on our list is called Avala. So this is wedding event WordPress theme. All right, so these are some of the demos here. We also have a demo for wedding photography, wedding venue, wedding invitation, and then photography studio. This has a whole lot of different demo, in different category: wedding photography, wedding studio. Under here we have invitation, wedding planning, couples home. So if you also want to have a dedicated website for your wedding, okay, maybe you want to have a dedicated website that you want to document everything about your wedding, then consider this particular one, Avala. Okay, it has a lot of templates that will make you achieve that. Next we have this one, which is called wedding. So let me show you some of the demos for this particular one. All right, so you can see right here. So let's just go ahead and see the demos. So you can see this is looking very clean. This is for wedding day. All right, so if you scroll down, this is for wedding florist. Now for this wedding day, they have different demos. Okay, like what I said earlier, if you want to have a dedicated website for your wedding, if you want to have documentaries of everything that happens in your wedding and every other thing, okay, you can make use of this. We have this artillery and shop. We have photography, pastry and cakes, wedding invitation, and the whole. You can see this have a whole lot. I think about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's about 18 different demos that you can work with, and it works with Elementor and WP Bakery page builder. All right, so depending on the one you are familiar with. All right, so if you scroll down, you're going to see more features. You can see a lot of elements, scroll and motion effects, custom pages and shops and registry. All right. So now the last on our list is called wedding planner. So this is basically for wedding planner. So if you are into wedding planning, so this is a special dedicated theme for wedding planning. All right, so with that, now we've gone through all the themes. Let me show you again. We look at Solen, we look at the Asol, we look at Fleur, then we look at Moments, Avala, wedding, and then wedding planner. So these are all the 7 wedding themes that I'm recommending if you're looking forward to creating a wedding website. So let me know in the comment section what kind of wedding website are you looking forward to create and the theme that you intend to do. So guys, I hope you find value in this video. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up. All right, thank you very much again for watching. My name is Prosper, and I'll see you all in another video. Bye for now.